Hi, I'm Elaine, an elementary education student here at Western, and I am passionate about preparing the next generation of educators. That is why I am fundraising for Aspiring Educators of Michigan, a student organization where we provide professional resources and give students real-world experiences in the classroom. With your support, we can expand on some of the opportunities we have, like our So You Want to Be a Teacher conference, provide teacher supply kits, and bring in guest speakers to some of our meetings. Growing up, I had amazing teachers in my K-12 schooling, and I saw firsthand how great teachers can change the futures of students' lives. And that starts with giving our future educators the tools they need to succeed. So let's build the future of education together, one student, one donation, and one classroom at a time. Thank you, and go Broncos!